Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. We'll be going over equations and how to solve them. So from my previous video, if you remember what an equation is, well, that's when you have an equal sign and you have a variable and the goal is to solve for that variable. So let's go through some examples. So for this one, we have 2x plus 1 equals 5. And we want to solve for x. So the first thing we do is we combine like terms. So we have 2x equals, well, we have 1 here and a 5. Those can be combined, but we have to do this 5. And we take away 1 from both sides. What happened here was the 1 from the left hand side disappears because 1 minus 1 is 0. And on this side we have 5 minus 1, which is just 4. So this becomes 2x equals 4. Next we have to divide sides by 2, right, to isolate the x. So then this just becomes x equals 2. Now for the second example, we have variables on both sides as well as the constants on both sides. And remember, we want to get y by itself. We have 3y here and y here. We minus y from both sides. So this will become 2y plus 8 is equal to minus 2. And then reducing the constants, we can move this 8 to the right hand side, which will mean this becomes 2y equals minus 2 minus 8 is just minus 10. And then to get y by itself, we'll just divide by 2, right? Become negative 5. Today's homework question will be to solve this equation for A. Let me know in the comments your answer, and thanks for watching. I hope this video helps with solving simple equations. And please like, share with anyone who may benefit from this, and please subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.